Fine, let us start solving problem number 25, right? Sara poured 1/8 cups of lemonade each in 5 glasses, right? What was the total amount of lemonade Sara poured in 5 glasses? So that is what total we are supposed to find here. Let us check out. For each glass, she is going to pour 1/8. So let us convert this into improper fraction. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9/8. 9/8 cups of lemonade she poured into a glass. So how many glasses? There are 5 glasses. That's what 9/8 into 5. Right. So now what you need to do? You can multiply it. 9 5 is a 45/8. This is total she poured for 5 glasses. Right. 5 glasses. Now this I need to convert it into mixed fraction to get the answer. Mixed fraction. Let us go with this. See, 45 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40. 5 remainder. This is R. This is quotient and as well as divisor. We know how to represent it. That is Q R T. What is Q here? Q is 5, right? What is R? R is 5 and as well as 8 here. So 5/8 cups she is going to pour for 5 glasses. So answer here is 5/8. That is third one. This is the answer.